a joke and ready to choke. Right?
He a rapper now. I like that. Okay.
Right? Something happened to me, and the big man upstairs is always watching, right?
Always right.
So I'm active duty military now. I'm making $7,000 a month. I'm making a lot of money, right? I think that's a lot of money, right? $7,000 a month coming from Jamaica. Come on, bro. I'm making a lot of money.
You happy, right?
Yeah, comfortable because I fed into the lies. 40 years, 40 hours, retirement, go to school, get a job. I was buying it.
That's the American dream.
I was drinking the whole Kool-Aid.
We all swallowed that pill, right?
I was drinking the whole Kool-Aid.
Right?
Right?
Okay.
So then, I was applying for a city job in the Environmental Protection Division because in the military, my qualifications equal hazmat, like hazardous material.
Right.
Those are my qualifications. So I was applying for a job there, right? I'm like, it's a city job. I'm going to do this for 20, 30 years.
You good.
I'm going to be good. Retirement, everything, right? So I put in my 2-week notice now for the job in the military that I'm working because I'm going to go work
To the
a city
EPA,
job.
right.
Bruh. Right as I was about to start a week, the position is no longer available.
Oh.
Yo, so I have my own theory. I think somebody else got it that was not me. I think somebody else got it, but whatever.
Yeah, we're not going to go down that rabbit hole, but yeah.
I was training my replacement because I already
thinking that you was going,
Bruh.
right. Oh, so you're stuck between a rock and a hard place.
Oh,
Nowhere to go and nowhere to stay.
No, I was a nobody, right? So then I lost the job.
Right.
I was angry. This is 2019 now. Angry at everything. So I went to the barber shop.
Okay.
And I heard my barber talking about Rich Dad, Poor Dad.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
And I'm like, what kind of dumbass book is that? Rich Dad, Poor Dad.
Right.
Why does he got two dads? This is angry me. This is me just angry. Right? And I didn't know that God had a package waiting for me. But sometimes we got to go through some stuff
Just
to get to our stuff.
Yeah.
We got to go through some stuff to get to our stuff. And the reason why a lot of people fail because they lack patience. They don't have tactical patience. So I'm in the barbershop. So I got curious. I left the barbershop. I go on YouTube. Shout out to YouTube.
Sponsoring the show, by the way. Go ahead.
Rich Dad, Poor Dad audiobook. Dude, the book is like 6 hours and change.
Ooh.
I listened it twice that night.
Change your life.
My whole life.
Literally.
The number one rule of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. The rich don't work for money. They have money work for them.
Damn.
You cannot tax the rich because they have no income.
Wow.
So
that's powerful right there. Powerful. Donald Trump taught us that too. Yeah.
My whole brain did a 360. It's like I got a whole new brain. Dude, Rich Dad, Poor Dad was the first book I ever read from front to back. And after I listened to it twice on YouTube, I got the book 3 days later. Shout out to Amazon Prime because that book came early. Dude, I read that book 6 times.
You had to just get it in. You had to fill your soul with it.
Bro, everything that I thought I knew was a whole lie, bro.
So now you whitewashing everything that
Everything. I had to reprogram myself. That's why I had to read the book so many times. I had to reprogram. Then I read Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich. It was a wrap.
And the crazy part about it, this is easily accessible information that we
everybody.
Right,
yeah.
There you go.
I just heard it in the barbershop.
You know?
I just heard it in the barbershop.
That's crazy.
But
That's crazy.
God gives people our messages.
Right.
So you'll hear stuff like people, like right now, I tell people about Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Some of them will just
go through it.
But if somebody, the book is for like $6 or $10.
And it's been around for 10, 15 years, this book. It's a staple.
Been long. No,
maybe longer.
Since in the 90s. This book has been around for a minute.
It's a staple,
Yeah, this book has been around for a minute.
Right.
Just like Think and Grow Rich.
Another one, right.
Since the 1925 when Napoleon Hill made the first copier in 1930. Right. These books have been around, but it goes back to us. Remember, in slavery, what was the biggest thing? Slaves can't read. An empowered,
Wow.
An educated person is a dangerous person.